I'm going to show you what to do to get this filtered water pitcher ready as soon as you get it out of the box and how it all works. The brand actually sent this over to me to test it out and share the details of it with you. Before you use the pitcher, you need to prime your filter. So they give you a priming bag and then they also give you a filter. You need to take the sticker off of your filter and then you need to fill up the priming bag all the way with cool water. Then you are going to take your filter and screw it tightly on top of your priming bag. You want to make sure it's tight so that the least amount of water can leak out. Then you're going to turn it upside down and you are simply going to squeeze the water through your filter till it drips out all the way. You will need to repeat this process a couple times until when you finally tip it over and without squeezing, it drips through the filter naturally on its own. The pitcher itself is made of a heavy-duty BPA-free plastic and it has a comfort handle. The top part has an easy lift latch for easy filling. The entire top of the pitcher has an insert that comes out, and that is how you are going to attach your filter before you put any water into this system. The filter removes up to 99.9% of the contaminants from tap water. Depending on how much water you go through in a day, the filter has a long life and you can fill the pitcher up about 200 times before you need to replace the filter. Here you can see the water is in the top portion and it is dripping down through the filter to get rid of all the bad stuff in my tap water. It took about maybe 20 minutes to fill this up and there's still room to add more. It has an easy pour spout that pours out quickly but not too fast that you're spilling water all over the place. If you're looking for something that will filter out all the bad stuff in your tap water and make your water taste delicious, check this out.